I want to take the opportunity to welcome you to Nkumba University Kampala Campus. Wherever you are viewing from, this is Nkumba University Kampala Campus. This branch of Nkumba University was established in 2015 after seeing a need to bring our services closer to the people in the city center, especially those ones who are working and could not afford to travel to Entebbe. So we brought the services here, and indeed we have been able to train and equip a number of students with a variety of courses and programs. But apparently, the campus offers courses in business administration and social sciences. So the School of Business Administration is a dominant and School of Social Sciences here in Kampala Campus, and we are offering programs on weekend and day. Most of the programs that are popular here are Bachelors of Business Administration and Management, and also a Master's in Business Administration and Management. We also offer Bachelors of Procurement, Bachelors of Social Work, Social Administration, Bachelors of Public Administration, Bachelors of Security Studies, Bachelors of International Relations and Diplomacy, and also Masters in those courses that I've mentioned. Apparently, there is something unique that we have brought also to this campus, and that is the Center for Professional and Vocational Training Institution. So students and people all over the country can afford now to come to Kampala Campus and take practical skills ranging from tailoring, cookery, baking, shoemaking, soap making, a number of them that are practical in nature. And the idea is, how can we reach out to the other section of society that does not want to go the direction of university programs? How do we reach out to them? But also there are other professional courses that have been brought on board, like the ACCA, the diploma and certificates in project planning and management, monitoring and evaluation, name them. So we try to ensure that we reach out to the professional people out there who are already in service, but also we are not forgetting that there are people who did get an opportunity to come to a university setup. So we have opened room for them, and the department has already started here for vocational skills, and we hope to equip as many young people and Ugandans as much as possible. So we continue to welcome you here for especially August intake that is already ongoing. Admissions are open. Please come and register with us at Nkumba University Kampala Campus. You could also register when you want to study at the main campus in Entebbe. So we still have room for those who could not go to Entebbe now, but in town can come and register with us here at Kampala Campus because we are part of the bigger Nkumba University main branch that is based in Entebbe. So we welcome you once again to Nkumba University Kampala Campus, located here at Kabaka Njagala Road near the Kabaka's Palace in Mengo. Thank you.